Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to our channel Curry Bites. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the Hyderabadi chicken curry. So let's get started. First step to Hyderabadi chicken curry is to prepare our own homemade masala paste. Heat up a pan and add 4 or 5 red chillies, 5 Kashmiri red chillies, 4 teaspoon coriander seeds, a teaspoon of fennel seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon pepper, 3 cardamoms, 3 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, and saute this until everything gets slightly heated up. This would take about 3 minutes on low flame. Now let it cool and transfer this to a mixer jar. Now add in about 7 peeled almonds. You can substitute this with cashew nut and or poppy seeds, a handful of shredded coconut, and grind this to a fine paste. Now in a pan, take about 4 tablespoons of oil and add in 3 sliced onions. Now fry the onions. I have added only little bit oil. You can also deep fry the onions. Fry the onions in medium flame. Care not to burn the onions. Once it is golden, in the onions from oil and set aside. For the marination, take about half kg of chicken pieces. Add in a cup of yogurt. Salt. I used about a tablespoon of salt. 4 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Half of the ground masala paste. Add in half a bunch of coriander leaves, half a bunch of mint leaves, and half of the onions which we fried before. Gently crush it with your hands. Now mix everything well and marinate this for at least half an hour. It's been half an hour. Now in a pan, add in 3 tablespoons of oil in the lowest flame setting. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder, a teaspoon of red chilli powder, and mix well. If the oil is high, the spices tend to burn, so do this only in low flame settings. Now add the marinated chicken pieces. Now increase the heat and saute this on high heat for 5 minutes. Now add in a cup of water. Once the bubbles start appearing, cover and cook this for about 12 to 15 minutes on medium flame. Saute in between. It's been 12 minutes. The curry has been thick and the chicken is also soft and tender. Now add the remaining fried onions and add 3 green chillies. Cover and cook this for 5 more minutes. It's been 5 minutes. You can notice the chicken coming apart from the bones and the oils also has started separating. Now add half a teaspoon garam masala paste. Cover and cook this for about 3 minutes. Now everything is perfectly cooked and the flavors of onions has also mixed with the curry. Now add juice of half a lemon. Turn off the flame, mix everything well, plate up and enjoy. This dish goes well with rotis, rice and chapatis. Hope you find this video useful. Subscribe to our channel for more recipes. Provided the list of ingredients in description box. Thank you for watching.